Hi, I'm Jemar, if you can see. Okay, you can see. This video starts in about a second before we get on topic. I don't know what I'm videoing on topic or I don't have the script, I don't know what I'm going to do. And I'm not uploading yet in YouTube, so this is the video that I'm putting. But I don't know what to talk about, so, and if you're wondering where's my hand, here's my hand. Yeah, here. Okay. I'm talking about nonsense. I don't know what to say. And it's not like this. I'm just checking something out. So, if you see me not in the video, that means I didn't look. Okay, let's get to. I don't know what topic. Maybe time na okay, time na. People might think I'm on God's no. I'm not on God's. Just thinking of a title for this and I'm speaking nonsense right now. You might have noticed. And I'm not going to edit anything of this. I'm just going to let it be like this. And hope for the best, get views and something like shits coming out. So why am I speaking nonsense? Systematically or scripted, not non-scripted, because talking nonsense. That if you can hear me, because I'm talking in my low voice, meaning you can't understand what I'm saying. I hope so. And my camera is moving somewhere, and you can see my face. Okay. Speaking something, I don't know what I'm doing. But guess for time to time I will post something like this on my YouTube because I don't know what content I'm going to put in YouTube. I have many ideas, but with this camera I can't really do much, so I'm just going to post this. So this is the end of the video because I'm almost at my 3 minutes. Okay, bye.